Welcome to my Welsh Bothy Series. For my episode 9, we take on a non-NBA Bothy, which could possibly be the best Bothy for beginners. So stick around to find out the reason why.
Oh my god.
Is it puddly out there?
It's a big fucking puddle. Bish, mind your feet. You're right in a puddle.
You ready for this, love?
Yes, once I have the right shoes, I think.
Oh shit, I can't remember to place the shoe. So this is it. This is the parking spot right by a road. This is going to be probably the easiest Bothy to get to. Probably like a 10-minute walk that way. It's starting to rain, but we're trying to be quick and get ready to go. As you can see, look how wet we are here. Bloody soaking already. Can someone close the boot of the car, please? Oh. It was literally fine 5 minutes ago. We get here to the Bothy and it's like this. I can't look at my phone while I'm carrying this stuff.
It does look like people have gone up here.
I thought it was just this way. Follow this path.
I have no idea.
So follow that path that way. Bish, first time doing a Bothy and he's like this.
Go on with your phone.
Look at my trousers, are absolutely drenched. Oh, this is horrible. Luckily, it's only like a 10-minute walk for us. But yeah, this is it. It's not always fun trying to get to the Bothy, even if it's like a 10-minute walk to this one. We thought it'd be nice and easy. The weather decided to make it more of a challenge for us because we're so used to the hiking for, you know, at least a minimum of an hour or so to trying to get to a Bothy. But we're hoping with this one. Of course, I haven't told you guys what the Bothy is. Since this one is not actually one part of the Mountain Bothy Association, it's a little bit more discreet. Not many people know about it, but I'll keep it as a secret until you guys get to see it, what it looks like. Oh, it's ready.
Yeah. I'm gonna fall if I do that. Don't have the right balance with this bag in my hand.
Oh, that was nice and easy. How long did that take? 10 minutes? So that's the Bothy over there. Look how pretty that one is. It's actually a really nice looking Bothy.
It's quite small.
It's a 2-floor Bothy.
Yeah.
So if more people are there or more people turn up, should be absolutely fine. It definitely looks like, because of how close it is and how easily accessible, most likely was a farmhouse that got donated to some kind of association. Unfortunately, I actually don't know who's actually looking after this Bothy, but I like to think if you're going to come here, you'll make sure you do the same thing you do with any other Mountain Bothy Association. You keep it clean, leave no trace, and just kind of do your part to look after the place. We just thought we had to cross this river, but there's actually a tiny little bridge. Alright, let's go in. It's quite a large place actually. We look soaked.
Bit wet.
Bit wet, yeah. But this is cosy. What is that bag? That's not ours, is it?
Quite a lot of space.
We're definitely going to need to get that fire going over there.
There's quite a lot of wood.
There's a sofa. How's upstairs like?
It's quite a lot of space.
Let's put this bag down and explore this Bothy, I guess. Right, so this is it. This is one of the rooms. I think we're going to stay on this one. We make the light brighter so you guys can see. Right, let's have a tour. Sorry, you might have to go past. Let's have a look. But yeah, as you can see, so many graffitis. People's Snapchats and Instagram handles. And if you go across the other room, it's about the same size, another area to set up your bed here. There is a leak from that pipe. I think that's for the fireplace downstairs.
Oh, we didn't want the rooms.
Yeah. What, do you want a room for yourself? A Bagsy the window side. I mean, there's this whole massive area here.
This reminds me of like when the Mount Tikbal, there's like a refuge on the top.
Oh, in Morocco?
Yeah, it's just like this, and people's just like probably be like
Stacked up.
10 people sleeping in this, like literally close to each other.
Right, let's go have a look downstairs.
Hey, I need a lighter or a match.
I think it's too early to start a fire, Bish, because
There's more wood in here anyway.
there's some wood there already.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we can start a fire just to dry some stuff to begin with, but save the fire for tonight.
Yeah.
Alright, I'll get it in a second.
I just want to dry my coat.
So this is another area to sleep. As you can see, they have this almost like little bunk beds you can sleep on top of. So yeah, you could accommodate quite a large group of people. Nice little table for you to have a little food and drink overnight. Hopefully that log burner works, because that is our intention for tonight. That sofa is a bit weird being here. So what we got around here? Oh wow, okay, so we kind of got a kitchenette. Some of them are a bit empty, but as you can see, one of the unique features about this bothy is actually running water. So there's been quite a few bothies we've been, sometimes they even have a sink but not actually running water. Turns out that pipe is not for the log burner. That is just directly over the sink. So if anyone in the comments can actually explain what is the purpose of this, I don't know where that water could be coming from. Is that intended to do that? Who knows? It does say about main gas tap on and off, but as far as I'm aware, there is no gas running on this bothy anymore. There used to be. As you can see, there is an old gas lamp here that people probably used back in the day. But yeah, that's no longer the case anymore. But yeah, what a great bothy. Guys, this is the bothy overall. There's not much to show, but as you can see, if it's the first time you want to do a bothy and a bit unsure to go to the other ones I have done in my channel, and a bit more remote and harder to get to, and you're not sure if you're capable of going to one that doesn't have like a toilet, this is a good one to come to for the first bothy, to experience it. If you're not enjoying it, you can easily leave because the road's not far. And yeah, running water. And let's have a look. Apparently there are toilets. It might be outside. I came out to find the toilet. God, my lenses are so steamed up. It's just a toilet. I mean, that's a lot better than anything I've seen in a bothy before.
Oh, I forgot to bring the cleaning cover.
And it actually flushes.
Does it though?
Well, the tap inside
you
works.
Seen inside the toilet yet. Oh no, it's bad. Brown. Oh, Christ.
Oh.
That's a shower. God, that's creepy.
A shower? That is creepy. What? That is so weird. That looks like another toilet with the chair and the bucket underneath. So what we done, we set up our beds. Look at that. Good old Trekology. These pillows and fucking mattresses are the best. Not trying to sponsor them or anything because they're never giving me anything for free. But if you guys want something this cozy and portable, check the link below. But yeah, this is Sarah's one, as you can see. It's quite thin, but I don't know, each to their own. I like a nice and cozy bed. Where is Bish? He's not set his one yet. But yeah, we just put our stuff down. Time to get some food, I guess. That long hike that we did to get here.
So tiring.
Yeah, we're starving. Bish made it nice and cozy here, lit up the candles. How's the fire looking, Bish? You're the fire starter, yeah?
Oh, look at that. So exciting. The fact that it's literally like steeping water
go into the kitchen, look what it looks like. The pipe is not for the... There's a kitchen.
What?
There's a kitchen, guys. There's a kitchen.
Are you joking?
Yeah, there's a kitchen.
What the fuck? Oh. I didn't expect that.
There's cutleries if you need some.
I said to you there was a kitchen on this one.
I didn't believe you.
So like for like a Bothy with toilet and kitchen.
Those are the type of gas cannons.
So that's
that
what
don't
broke.
work.
Yeah, they broke my
I
gas.
took one of them in the last Bothy I went in, and we couldn't cook anything.
Yeah, I think a lot of people do that.
I have so many of these at home. I can't use them anymore.
Have you seen the gas lantern as well over there? That's the gas lantern right there. Yeah, a lamp. Yeah.
I don't think I'd fancy using it.
No, because but it does say like main gas tap on and off. I think it's turned off.
Well, I hope so.
Because we've got fire there.
Yeah. I imagine outside or maybe connected to the road. So there is a rule book here.
Smell these fucking trainers.
You melted your shoes.
Yeah.
Oh my god, you full on melted the shoes. Look at these guys. Oh my god.
It actually looks quite cool though.
It is. You can sell that.
Is it on fire?
No,
Look on the
it's
inside,
just-
it's literally smoke coming out.
This is
I think it's
outside.
steam.
There's a hole.
This is cast iron, so be careful. Like, whose jack is this?
Might be quite flammable.
Whose jack is this? 'Cause
Mine. It's mine. But this
the door
not
is fine,
closed.
okay.
No, the door is not being closed. It's-
oh, it actually stinks of plastic in here now. Right, let's have some food.
I moved my coat.
I did 2 full days, and I can't fly there direct. Or even I've never done a tour. I think that's interesting.
Right, so what are we doing, Bish?
Well, check out the dead sheep.
So we just looked at the logbook for the Bothy. They were here on Tuesday, and apparently there's a dead sheep up in the stream. We definitely want to check it out before we continue to consume the water.
Then you're like,
So yeah, let's go have a look. Where are you going? That's not the way to the stream, mate. This way.
like the company we didn't use.
And which direction? Upstream. Oh my god. All of this to find a dead sheep. Kind of the sheep. It's either been taken by that current, or someone else has moved it, or we can't find it. Did you update the book?
Yeah. 402. No dead sheep was found. Watch out for the spirit of the dead sheep.
It's gonna come back to haunt us tonight.
Maybe next time we can have a little hole and just eat like a pace.
So it's 6 o'clock now, and we got some more guys that turned up. 3 nice guys that just came from the other Bothy. They brought extra firewood, so we're not complaining. Should look pretty bright. Can I bring it this way? So it creates like a wave pattern.
They stick out if you like move them around once.
Oh, okay, I see what you mean. Yeah. Okay. Good job, right? Oh, that is bright now with that light as well. I turn my light off. This is what the lights look like.
Yeah.
Look how bright the light is. But at night time, when it's dark, that'll be perfect. So Bish was getting hungry and he's starting to cook his chicken wings. So there's some pre-cooked chicken wings in there. He's trying to heat them up. Close the lid so it gets nice and warm.
Just be careful, it doesn't fall the other side.
No, I'm sure that'll be fine.
Get it out.
Oh, look at that.
Oh my god.
That's like a full-on microwave.
This is not
Yum, yum. Alright. I was going to say, don't put it in my... That's my plastic plate that's going to melt. Put it on the table. Wait there. Put it in there, on this. What the fuck? Yeah, put it on that. Yeah, now you can open and move the wings into the plate.
Yeah, that's fucking hot. Thanks.
Look at that.
That actually smells banging.
This is how we cook in a bothy.
Go on today's cooking show, Bish. What have we got for dinner?
Chicken
Look at
wings.
that.
Yeah, that does look pretty good.
Look at that, that's...
Oh, and you got some crispy bits there as well. What would you rate these chicken wings out of 10, mate?
Well, given the place and the time, probably 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. After enjoying a hot meal and a few games of cards by the fire, we decided to call it a night and get some rest. Alright, it's bedtime now. Played some card games. Might actually brush our teeth first. Everyone brushing their teeth in the sink. This is one of the perks of this bothy, or else we're normally outside with either the river water or we're trying to use some of our drinking water. Everyone's gone to bed. This is what it looks like. Blinding Sophie. It's a little bit creepy with the spider webs. Lots of graffiti. Look at that wall. Time to go to bed. Oh, I still got my towel. Kind of cozy. But yeah, see you in the morning. Well, we all packed and now we're making our way out. Cleaned up the bothy, some of the guys are still in there making their breakfast and stuff, so yeah, we'll let them enjoy their bothies to themselves. But yeah, it's been a great journey. Definitely recommend this for a first bothy.